Hello everyone, here I found 2 units at the back of a pavilion right here. And here we have a Goodman and a Carrier Comfort right here. They're both running. Here's this Carrier, the Gentech fan motor. I think it's got a, yeah, I know it has a regular Copeland skull compressor. There's this Carrier. Yeah, they're behind a fence. I don't know if I can get a good shot of them, but yeah, here's it. It's that. Cannot get too close. Oh, there we go. It is from 2012. That's a 3-ton. Manufactured December of 2012. R410A refrigerant. The line sets are probably working good. Goodman right here is also running. It does sound very noisy. Come on, focus. Dude. You can't see the data. But I can see it with my eyes though. But it's a 2019 Goodman. That might be a 4-ton. I think both the line sets are working good. I think it might be commercial units. I don't know. They have very big line sets. But yeah. There's a very good shot at the Carrier. Got a picture of the Carrier. It's a 2012 Carrier Comfort and a 2019 Goodman. Alright. Oh, here we go. Alright, we got both those units here. Carrier Comfort and Goodman. Yeah, hear the compressor sounds. So yeah. How's it for these units? Well, let's move on to the next ones. Alright, so this is actually not an air conditioner, this is the freezer. But freezer is part of cooling and ventilation. And yes, freezers are part of HVAC, so are refrigerators. But yeah, here's this Master-Bilt refrigerator ice cream shop running. That is dirty. That is dirty coils right here. Those have a very loud, very noisy compressor. That was a magnet. This phone actually has a new phone case. It has a magnet on it. So that's how I click a noise. Just forces to get it on because it's attached to a metal vent. a coil. So you can see the compressor. Look how dirty those coils are. On the top side is not dirty. Look at that. And I cannot open this up, but you can see your fans. This one is covered. And this is another freezer. This one's in Norway. I'll shut it off right now. Oh, there's a compressor right here. Hey, I must have a rotary compressor. There's a fan in there. See over there's some coils. There's some fans. A good shot of these two refrigerators. Alright, where's the compressor? Oh. Anyways, let's go check out the ants on the outside. And you can, so over here on this top, on this thing, you can probably see there's a Lennox Merit right here. It's up on this deck of the ice cream shop. But yeah. There we go. Let's go look at the refrigerator components. Alright, so I found two refrigerator components. This one right here is a turbo layer. And this one, I don't know what this one is. But the bottom one right here is the turbo layer, as you can probably see. They're both not running right now. Well, this one actually had, this turbo refrigerator component is actually disconnected, but because when it's running, it does short cycle, so they disconnected so they turned the disconnect box switch to off, so that this unit will stop short cycling. But yeah, here it is. Doesn't have a data sheet. It's over there, but yeah, you cannot read it. But here's the data sheet for the top one. It's 2018, looks like. Yeah. But that's a 2018. A smashed up grill. You probably see it's got an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. This one has a regular Copeland scroll compressor. This one hasn't been running. This one has been running. And they actually turned this one off because this unit was short cycling. Yeah, here's a good picture of those. Those are all the cars going by on the street right here. And over here next door you can see some package ants. There's a Bryant's right there. This is the car dealership. one. There's another one right there. Yeah, thank you for watching. Well, good news. This unit right here actually came on. So yeah, this one just started up. After I looked at those units over there. Oh, that's down the Emerson Copeland scroll, and I cannot reach that. The line is very cold. This one will not come on because of a short cycle and it's disconnected. But yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.